Hi, and welcome to yboo, the mobile app which matches you to the right SIM-only mobile deal. We made yboo to save you money. Let's have a look at what yboo does. yboo monitors your unique habits, usage, and behavior, and we record this carefully within the app. We'll then show you the mobile networks and deals which match your behavior, saving you time and, of course, matching you to a better deal. Here's an example. The best deal has been ranked at number 1. Let's click through to see more details. Here's a breakdown of what's great about this deal, along with a signal strength rating calculated on this network from existing yboo users. We've added rewards. When you share yboo with your friends and family, we'll unlock rewards from brands we all know and love. From free Uber rides to huge discounts on food and clothing. We've tried to find something for everyone, and we're adding more and more rewards every month. Lastly, just use your smartphone as normal. We'll let you know when we've done all the hard work for you. There's no need for you to do anything. Sit back and relax. We're making it even easier to switch from your current mobile network to one which gives you better value. Click through the recommendations to buy and let us know if you need help switching. It's what we do. Questions? Fire away!